Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. So for today's video, I'm doing a tutorial. So basically the inspiration behind this tutorial was a video that I recently saw from both Alana and Manny. They both did like lavender looks, and I've seen a lot of people do pastel looks recently, like Laura Lee and Karen did a really pretty mint one. So I thought I would jump in the bandwagon and play with some colour, which I haven't done in a long time. And because of everything going on, I just want to play with makeup, and I thought I would record it and see what kind of look I get out of this. I hope it comes out somewhat of the way I've kind of envisioned it. I just really want like a lavender basic kind of blown out look. I don't know if I want to do eyeliner and lashes and stuff, but I know I just want a really blown out lavender look. So hopefully I can achieve that. So yeah guys, I really hope you're excited about this video, and let's get started. Guys, before we get started, I do want to mention that I really hope everyone's staying safe and positive during this time. Honestly, makeup and YouTube has been like a massive escape for me. It's just been really keeping my mind off stuff. So yeah, I really hope this video is a distraction to you guys as much as it will be for me while filming and editing. So yeah, I do want to mention it because I don't want to just kind of skip over it, but I won't be mentioning it again in any more of my videos. So yes, stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy, and we will get through this together. So first things first, I'm the realist obviously, but I'm going to pin my hair back. So first things first, I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer as my eye primer. I am getting rid of this, but as I can't go and see friends and stuff, I'm just going to use it because obviously I'm not going to give this to friends because I can't see them. So while it's still in my collection, I'm going to use it. I don't even like using this as eye primer because it's so patchy, but this is like one of my lightest concealers. So for eyeshadow, I have this colour here. I'm actually going to go in straight with this colour all over my lid. So the only thing with this is because it's a pastel, it's like really faint. So it's like you really have to build this up a lot. It's staying pretty true to colour as well. It's not like darkening up. So I'm just taking this all over and just building this up as much as I can. So I'm literally just packing this colour on. Now that I've packed the colour as much as I wanted to and as high as I wanted, I'm just going to blend the edges out. So now I'm going to go in with a skin tone colour, just under my brow. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and do the thinnest line on just the top lashes, and this is the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner. So I don't know if I should do a wing or not. So that is my eyeliner, and I had a little bit of problems, but I solved it. So I ended up actually using two eyeliners. So this is the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner, and then I ended up also using the Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. So now for primer, I'm going to go in with the MUA Wonder Vanishing Cream Primer and just put this in my porous area. Okay, so for base, I'm going to use the Misha BB Cream SPF 42 number 23. I actually really enjoyed this foundation when I wore it a couple of times, and yeah, I haven't worn it since, but it's really actually a really nice foundation. The colour is very off for me, but it's something that kind of just sinks into your skin and you don't notice it as much once you've worn it and like once it's sunken into your skin. For concealer, I'm going to use this one. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix Light Beige Ultimate Coverage Concealer pot, and then I'm going to go over that with my PS My Perfect Colour Ultra Long Wear Concealer in Ivory. So I'm just going to mix both of those colours together. So I'm actually going to let that sit, and while that's sitting, I'm going to go and contour. So this is the Rimmel Insta Contour Stick. So that concealer combo is not doing anything. It's like not covering up anything. I'm going to go off camera, fix my base because something's happening that I don't like. I have hardly any coverage and it's just like not a good look with such a bold eye. So I'm going to go off camera, try and fix my face, and then I'll come back. Hi guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, I've done my base. I did my brows and I also added some freckles. However, I'm not that keen on the freckles. I think they look too fake. But I have tried to tone them down and they're not really toning down at all. So yeah, it is what it is. I got faux freckles and they don't look very natural. But it's what it is. So for my lips, I'm going to go in with the colour Well by MAC. And I'm just going to outline my lips. So I'm going to go in with Virgin by Morphe, which is a liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to see how this looks. Okay, so I'm going to actually lighten this a little bit more, and I'm going to go in with my Barrier 101 lipstick just to tone this down a bit. And then I'm going to go in with my lip liner. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe Flower Crown Lips Gloss. So now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the same pastel colour and just put this on my lower lash line. And I'm going to bring this all the way in as well. So now for my inner corner, I'm just going to add a little bit of this highlight. I did that already, but now that I've got more of the pastel in there, I want to add some more. So now for mascara, I'm using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. Obviously for this look, you could add falsies, but that's just not my journey for today. So on top of that, I'm just going to add the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. It's like one of my favourites mascaras. I am doing like a lot of coats of mascara, and I think I'm going to do even some more once this is dry. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with the Bad Girl Bang mascara. Okay, so for my waterline, I really want to add a little bit of a white, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Obviously this look is very much inspired by a lot of influencers and their posts and their versions of like a pastel look, but I really like this look. I love how like it's giving me like a doll slash Twiggy effect, and like there's something about it I really like. I really like the white in my waterline, the really big like voluminous and bushy brows and lashes. The freckles ain't my favourite, but I feel like as my oils come through, they'll look a little bit less like fake and more like real. So guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I don't know how I'm going to edit this because I obviously was off camera for a while trying to fix my base, and then when I came back I had a lot of my base done, but it's just because I was playing and like obviously I don't want to use up all my memory just trying to figure out my base and stuff. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really want to do more videos like this where I just film myself doing a look. I don't think I've ever played with like a pastel colour, so yeah, this was super fun for me. I don't really do eyeliner very often, but I love how the eyeliner looks today. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, what colour should I do next? I really want to do like a mint green look next, but I don't want to do eyeliner. I want to make it different to this look. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.